19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. They were burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job at the steamy down in Caldrum Street. Fell in love with the laundry girl, was working next to me. Brown hair zigzagged around her face and a look of half surprise. Like a fox caught in the headlights, there was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh can't you see I'm not the factory kind? If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. So fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. We busked around the market towns and picked fruit down in Kent. We could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, with the fire burning in the hearth and babies on the rug. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world and you'll not tow me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. So fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. But you wouldn't want me any other way. Last I hear she's sleeping out back on the Derby beat. White horse in her hip pocket and the wolf found at her feet. And they say she even married once to a man named Romany Brown. But even a gypsy caravan was too much settling down. And they say her flower has faded now, hard weather and hard booze. But maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. And I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, then I wouldn't want her any other way. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. So fine a breath of wind might blow her away. And she was a lost child, and she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. No, you wouldn't want me any other way.
This dance is called Beeswing. It is a full wall, 40 count, improver level line dance, choreographed by Argyle. Weight is on the left. The first 8 counts you'll make a 3/4 turn left, finishing at your 3 o'clock wall. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Weight is now on the left foot. Right and left cross sanders. Cross, side, recover, cross, side, recover. Rock forward on the right, recover, left. Step the right foot next to the left, step left, back, touch right foot forward. Right shuffle forward. Step forward on the left, make a half turn, pivot right, left shuffle forward. Step forward on the right, make a 3/4 turn left to face 12 o'clock. Step the right foot to the right side. Behind side cross, leading with the left. Step the right foot to the right side, take the weight on the right. Left sailor quarter turn, now facing 9 o'clock. Weight is on the left. Walk forward, right, left. Rock forward on the right, recover, left. Step the right foot next to the left, rock forward on the left, recover, right. Left coaster step. Step forward on the right, make a half turn pivot, left. Weight is on the left foot, ready to restart the dance. The dance with the counts. Weight on the left, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. At the end of wall 3, you'll have a full count rocking chair tag. Wall 3 starts facing 6 o'clock. You'll do the tag facing the 9 o'clock wall. Weights on the left foot, 7, 8. Rock forward on the right, recover left, rock back right, recover left. The count of the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. During wall 8, you'll dance the first 18 counts of the dance and add in a 2 count tag and then restart the dance. Wall 8 starts facing 9 o'clock. Weight is on the left. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross samba, rock, recover and back, touch, right shuffle. This is count 18. Add in the tag, step left, brush right. The count of the tag, 1, 2. This dance has an ending on wall 11. Wall 11 starts facing 6 o'clock. You dance up to the first 18 counts, which will take you to the right shuffle facing 9. Then add in 2 counts to finish the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is wall 11. Weight is on the left. 7, 8. Right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle. Cross samba, rock, recover and back, touch, right shuffle. This is counter 18 here. You're going to make a quarter turn right, stepping the right foot to the right side. Now facing 12, cross left over right to finish off the dance. Thank you for watching.